Good afternoon.
Hello and welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News TV channel. With us, Ekaterina Stikhina
And Anna Kasatkina.
You're watching the currency and commodity market review for the previous week.
What sentiment prevailed among currency investors before weekend?
The pound sterling jumped sharply higher as financial markets are expecting a relatively stable period from a political and economic perspective.
What factors improved the sentiment of market participants?
The pound's rally was triggered by the results of the Bank of England's meeting that took place last Thursday. Nevertheless, the UK's exit from the European Union is still keeping Britain's domestic currency from breaking above $1.34 levels. The pound ended Friday's trade around 1.3182 levels. The British currency posted a weekly gain of 236 pips. On Thursday, the Bank of England surprised the market by announcing its decision to stand pat on interest rates. Instead of slashing the key interest rate as expected, the regulator decided to wait for more data on the nation's economic health in the aftermath of the June 23rd referendum. This news sent the pound rallying by 2% versus its US counterpart. Following the Bank of England's meeting, the cable appreciated to $1.34.80, the highest mark since June the 30th. At the same time, traders say that the British currency is highly unlikely to rise above $1.35, while most major banks expect the pound to drop to $1.25 levels or possibly even lower. Moreover, the Japanese yen lost some ground, sliding to a three-week low against the US dollar after China's second quarter GDP and June economic activity data lifted risk appetite across the board. In late Friday trade, the US dollar advanced to 104.89 yen. During the session, the pair also hit a peak of 106.32 yen, the strongest level since June 24th. The weekly losses of the Japanese currency totaled 4 yen 28 cents. China's GDP grew by 6.7% in the second quarter, slightly above expectations. Chinese retail sales and industrial production also beat consensus estimates. That was all about last week's exchange rate movements on the currency market.
Thank you for the currency pair overview, Anna.
You're welcome, Ekaterina. So what changes took place on the commodity floors?
Crude oil enjoyed higher demand, unlike gold.
So why did investors refrain from buying the yellow metal?
Gold demand was stumped by the US dollar's renewed strength, aided by an improvement in risk appetite across global markets. Crude oil futures edged high on Friday. Brent futures for September delivery climbed by 0.25%, landing at $47.98 per barrel, over the weekday price at about $1. On the New York Mercantile Exchange, WTI futures for settlement in August were trading at $45.80 a barrel, gaining 88 cents on the week. Meanwhile, gold was on a bearish trajectory on Friday as global risk appetite returned to the market, and the precious metal closed Friday's trade at $1,337.90 per trounce. From the beginning of the week, the price tumbled by 2.8%. The yellow metal lost 2.5% since the start of last week following the release of upbeat US non-farm payrolls data, as well as on the back of traders' concerns related to the fallout of Brexit. Consumers in Asia booked profits by selling gold after the rally in gold prices observed 2 weeks ago. In the meantime, Indian jewelers continue offering huge discounts.
Ekaterina, thank you for the commodity market overview.
You're welcome, Anna.
You have been watching the weekly currency and commodity market review on ИнстаФорекс TV.
It was presented to you by us, Anna Kasatkina
and Ekaterina Stikhina.
Stay tuned and have a great day.
See you.